Well, my 2021 Silverado 2500 HD Duramax is telling me it needs a fuel filter. It's got about 23,000 miles on it. Let's get that done. This is everything we should need to accomplish the task for today. We have a TP1015 fuel filter. This is a AC Delco part, and you can see it also has a part number on there, 135-39107. You want to look it up for your truck. This fits my truck, so you can check and make sure it fits your truck before buying it. It probably will. Now, it comes with these O-rings, which we'll need. Now, look, there is a little tiny O-ring in there as well, so don't lose that. Then you're going to need a 36 millimeter and a ratchet. You are also going to need a oil container. Will work just fine. When we take the housing off, it will leak diesel a little bit. And we're going to need some paper towels to clean out the filter housing. Then we've got a pair of gloves just so we don't smell like diesel the rest of the day. Okay, the fuel filter housing is not too difficult to find. As you can see, it is right in front of the gas tank. So on a 4-door 2500 HD like mine, it's about halfway between the middle of the rear door, and then about, I'd say, 2 feet in. Okay, so it turns out you either want to use a deep 36 or get an extension. Now, just like a regular filter, like an oil filter, this is going to start leaking once it's loose. Alright, here comes some diesel fuel. With the way fuel prices are, it seems a shame this is all going into an oil bucket. Alright, let's take her out. Here's our old filter. You want to just pull it out. It does stick a little bit. You just pour this diesel out. Hopefully you can see that there's quite a bit of dirt and deposit in there. So it's a good thing that we are replacing this filter. So what we want to do is clean this out. Get everything out of it. Yeah, see, this is all from the inside. Of course, I'm going to clean off the outside as well. For those of you that might be wondering, I live on a dirt road and it's been raining all week. So things are a little muddy around here. Yeah, that is gross. To put the new filter in, you want to just put it down into the cup. And then you're going to push pretty hard. It should make a noise when it's fully seated. Alright, that should be good. Next, we want to take the big O-ring out of here. We're just going to pull this ring off. We're going to put the new O-ring on. The new O-ring goes in this channel right here. Just like that. To get this little O-ring off, I just like kind of squeeze it and pull it off. And we just put the new one on. If you want to get half of it in the groove, and then just work your way around. There. Now that is on. Now it's time to put our filter back in. Now you want to hand tighten it as much as possible. Of course, make sure you don't cross thread it. Okay, that's that. Next, we want to just turn the key to the run position. You can hear it priming the fuel filter. And you can go ahead and crank it until it starts. The only thing we have to do is to reset the change fuel filter warning. On mine, you just turn the dial until you get to fuel filter life, then hold it in, change it to yes, press it again, and then cycle the key one time. Yeah, I do need to change that oil. Now that we've cycled the key after the reset, it's at 100%. One last thing you want to do is check underneath the vehicle, make sure it's not leaking. I already checked, it's not. So if you found this helpful, please like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.